Hey guys, thanks for coming back to watch another recipe from 30-Minute Paleo Meals. Today we're going to be doing another recipe of fish. We are almost done. This is lettuce wrapped fish tacos with tomato and peach salsa. That is what it looks like there. Now we're going to go ahead and get started with the first ingredient. In a large bowl, combine olive oil. So we're going to combine olive oil, which is 1 teaspoon. There we go. And then some cumin, which is one teaspoon of cumin. A little bit more because the bowl. And then also some chili powder. 1 teaspoon. Perfect. And then some lime juice. Sorry, I gotta get that lid on there. So for the lime, I'm going to cut this. These are some peaches. That is for the salsa. I'm going to cut this. This one's not giving up too much lime juice, but that's okay. Got another one right here. Hopefully much better. Much better. Perfect. And then we're going to add in some salt. A teaspoon of salt, or half a teaspoon of salt. There we go. And then this mix, it says to mix it. And then this is going to be our dressing for on top of the tilapia. I've got 2 tilapias here, and we're just going to pretty much coat this on there. There we go. We have the other piece here. I like to spread it on there first, and then we're just going to let it soak in here. Perfect. And then we're going to let this marinate in the fridge for 15 minutes. And then we're going to work on the salsa while this is, there we go. And then we're going to mix in the salsa. And so we're going to mix in a peach, which I diced up already, a peach, 1 peach. And then we're going to add in a cup of grape tomatoes, quartered. I already quartered those. Those are good to go. And then we're going to add some red onions. I diced up a lot of onions. And then we're going to add in cilantro, which is in my dicer here already. Didn't have enough cups, so it is in my dicer still. There we go. And then we're going to add a juice of a lime and small jalapenos. So I got some jalapenos right here already diced. 1 jalapeno. And we're going to add some lime juice to this. Put my lime right here. Put this up. Perfect. Kind of Toss this around, and this is going to be our salsa. Very colorful, very pretty. Very, very clean. And then we're going to let this sit here. We're going to come back to this, and we're going to let the fish marinate for a few more minutes, and then we'll start cooking it up and trying it out. Okay guys, now we're back on the oven here. We're going to fry these, not fry, but we're going to cook these for about 3 minutes on each side. It's got the sauce on top that we made earlier. So we're going to cook these for 3 minutes on medium-high heat, and then we'll flip them over and do another 3 minutes. It's about done. I got about 18 seconds left on it. Looks really, really good. We're going to put them on a cutting board here, and we're going to let them cool, and then we're going to make our wraps. So here they are. Turning the oven off. Sizzle, sizzle. Then we're going to bring you guys back over to this counter here. Let these cool for like 2 minutes or so, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we're going to just cut these up. They're definitely flaky, and they smell really good. And then we're going to put our tacos, or our wraps, fish tacos, together here. So I've got my plate right here with some butter lettuce that we used in our last recipe here. I would definitely make sure that you rinse these out, because they do have dirt in them, so you just got to make sure you rinse them out. And we're going to put some fish in there. And I'm not too fond of this mango sauce, but you can put that in there too. But another thing that I really think is good is, we said to cut up some radishes, and my husband and I really like radishes. So we're going to put that in there, and then you got some avocado. That looks good. And now you got yourself a lettuce. And you can put like a squeeze of lime. Actually, we'll do that right now. But no mango sauce for me. Kaya will definitely like it, but I just can't bear eating. I mean, I'll eat the peaches, but everything else is a no-go for me. No tomatoes, no onions, cilantro. You guys all know I hate cilantro. So we're going to squeeze this on here. Perfect. And then we're going to take a bite out of this. Don't mind my hair. We went for a walk earlier today, so I don't mind my hair. The fish could definitely have some more flavor to it, but good, healthy afternoon dish, lunchtime, dinner. Definitely a summer food. Just needs more flavor. This Paleo book just does not have the flavor I'm looking for. It's more earthy flavors. So I don't know if it's just me or what, but the radishes are fantastic. It gives a little heat to it, but really, really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.